I'm so excited, to be honest. I'm not the first guy in the car, but if you look here around, it's so exciting. So really looking forward to that.
It's a long race and we'll do our best and keep pushing.
I think we have the guys, the crew, the drivers, the car that can win this thing. So we're just going to do our best and hope we get a little bit of luck that everyone that's ever won the 24-hour gets, and maybe we'll see us there tomorrow.
I'm excited as a young kid. I raced Formula 1 19 years, then I did Indy cars last year. This is a new adventure for me, and like I said, I'm a little boy with a new toy. It's going to be a long night and a long day.
You know, the good thing is our car's strong, and we definitely have a car to win, and we just got to keep it intact for the first 18 hours, and then the last 6 we'll put the big guns in all of us and then push through to the end, and hopefully we can win the race.